I picked up this Hot Wheels Camaro from the 80s at a flea market, and I'm pretty happy with it. I thought I'd share it with everyone. If you can see here, it says Mattel Inc. 1983. So whoever had this had it for quite a long time, and they kept it in pretty good shape considering. I just thought I'd share it with everyone because it is a cool car, and it's cool to have something from so long ago. The paint is pretty interesting, right? You can tell that Hot Wheels has been doing wild and strange things for a while now. It's not a new thing. It says Hot Wheels here on the front windshield, and you have wipers, and you can see inside. The inside is all white. The lights aren't painted, but that's okay. It's such a strange and unique vehicle that it's all right. It's good enough without the lights. Although if the lights were painted back here, wow, that would be just amazing. In the front, nothing is painted either, and it doesn't even have... So what Hot Wheels does now is these little holes here, they'll put plastic, the same plastic that they use for the windshield, and it creates like a glass effect, like a headlight effect. So this one doesn't have that. Notice the exhaust going down the side, so it has dual exhaust. One on the right side and the other on the left side. And it comes down like this. Maybe it's easier to see from the bottom. So these are the exhaust pipes. The wheels are not atypical. It's what you would expect to see on modern Hot Wheels. What is notable is how heavy it is. It's quite heavy relative to the other Hot Wheels. So here we have an 89 Porsche, and it's lighter. But you see this 89 Porsche, even though it's 1989, the model of the car, it was made in 2019. This one, and it's heavier. I have another one here just to compare. This is the 87 Ford, and it's made in 2021. So this was made in 2021, although it's an 80s model, and it's also lighter. You can notice it. You don't even really need a scale. Or it could just be my mind playing tricks on me. I don't know. I guess I'd have to get one of those fine scales and weigh them and see if it's slightly heavier than this one. But I feel it. I kind of feel it when I hold them. Like if I have this in my right hand, it feels like it's heavier. But again, who knows? It could just be a psychological thing. And the owner did keep this in good shape. It still rolls. See this one? Notice it sounds a little different, right? So when you roll the new one, it makes a sound on my desk here. And then here's another relatively new one from 2019. That makes the same exact sound, but this old one, when you roll it, it makes a different sound. You hear that? So let's do it one more time. And then let's try this one. Yeah, the sound is totally different. I wonder what that's all about. I don't know. In any case, I just wanted to share it with everyone. It's a very interesting car. It's what Aquaman would drive if Aquaman got around by a car. I don't know why. I mean, if I had to describe this in a word, I would say aquarium. Something about it. I can't quite put it into words. If anyone knows about this, if anyone has one of these, or if anyone has something to add, please let me know. I'll close by saying that the vendor at the flea market was a really nice guy. I hope you enjoyed this.